Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Alexa's Garden. I want to ask you, do you grow sage in your garden? Sage is a perennial plant that is very fond of bees because its flowers have a lot of nectar. Also, sage can be used as a medicine. The healing properties of this perennial have been known to people since ancient times. I have been growing sage officinalis in my garden for several years now. Growing sage is not difficult at all. The easiest way is to sow the seeds in very deep soil or sow the seeds in a pot in the spring. The seeds are pre-soaked in warm water for 24 hours and disinfected in a solution of potassium permanganate. Sage does not need nutrient soil. This plant can grow well in any soil except clay. The first shoots appear in 2 weeks. In my climate zone 5B at the beginning of June. Sage can be transplanted into open soil. In a few weeks, you will have beautiful young plants to plant in your garden. The best place to plant sage is in flower beds or mixed borders near garden paths. Sage seedlings grow well. In July you can see the first flowers. Another option is to grow sage officinalis as a perennial shrub. Salvia officinalis is a perennial plant. After flowering, the flower stalks must be cut off, and the fragrant leaves can be used at any time. The height of an adult plant is from 15 to 30 inches. The plant grows best in sunny, dry places. Sage has good resistance to cold. But you can also grow this plant in a pot about 8 inches deep. This autumn is beautiful. Every autumn I cut off the old stems of the plant. In the spring you can propagate the sage bush using young shoots or stems. By the way, sage is one of the favorite plants of famous chefs. I also often cook meat dishes using sage leaves. For beautiful flowering, it is better to fertilize the soil with humus and add a complex fertilizer before flowering sage officinalis. I hope this video about planting and growing sage is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.